I'm going to show you how you can send Bitcoin from Binance onto Trezor wallet. First off, from Binance here, you want to head on over to More, and then on More, you want to go ahead and go to Binance wallet. Now, the thing is, on Binance, on the web app, you can't actually send this because you need to download an app called Binance Wallet. Just tap on this button to get started and download the Binance Wallet app on your phone to start the transfer. Now, once you have started the transfer and once you have downloaded the app, I'm going to cut you through the app now. Once on the Binance app, all you have to do now is that you have to tap on the send button there on the red box. After that, you will see a screen that looks like this. Now on here, you will have to select a token, and since we want to transfer BTC, then go ahead and tap on BTC. Now, once you have tapped on your desired token, you want to go ahead and go to the address section here. And on my address, you want to go ahead and tap on wallet 1. Now on wallet, tap on confirm. After that's done, you will need to enter in the wallet address on the to section of the part there. And then in here, you want to enter in the wallet address of your Trezor wallet. So just enter in the wallet address right there. And then you'll have to enter in the amount of the token you want to actually send as well. After that, just tap on the brick yellow button to continue. After that, you will have to sign the transaction here. You can see this is what it will look like. Sign the transaction. You'll have to go to the cash account as well. You also have to look at the nested network fee as well. And then you can see there's a couple of warnings as well, like fraudsters have been detected, avoiding any transaction with them, things like that, if there are any. But of course, it'll just say, I clearly understand the risk, including asset losses. Just tap on that. After that, tap on the big yellow button again to confirm. After that, you'll have to sign the transaction and preview the as well. So you can see this is the preview section. Once you're happy with everything, just tap on the red yellow button to confirm, and then that's it. You're done.